15-20 minutes later. Of the road. Little design issue I've got to figure out is particularly on my left, my gloves are not long enough to overlap the end of my jacket. So the sneaky wind barrels in there and I can almost feel it on my bloody chest inside. It goes into the jacket and then says, oh, let's see how far we can get. So I need some sort of little temporary, easy, well, I could get different gloves, but I just need a little elasticated bit of cloth to put over there just to stop the cold air going in. Quite pretty. Geez, the roads like this all the way, it's going to be quite exciting for a biker. Oh, 115, tap off. I'm almost at 5,000 revs. You see how easy it goes. You just, when you're riding, it just bloody creeps up. .42 to Rehoboth. So here in Namibia, the standard practice seems to be when there's an intersection, sort of soon after that there's a sign saying how long to the next town, and then it goes back to the every 10k thing. We're still recording, but